Hi, in this video I'll be covering the Jackery Explorer 240 Portable Power Station. This is a 240 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack that has one AC outlet, two USB-A ports, and one DC card port. This unit can power many different types of devices such as a phone, laptop, light, fan, or mini cooler. The Jackery Explorer can be recharged by a wall outlet, car outlet, generator, or one of the solar chargers from Jackery. The Explorer 240 supports pass-through charging, so it'll charge connected devices while also being charged. This unit is 3.1 kilograms or 6.8 pounds and measures 5.19 by 905 by 7 by 67 inches. In the box, you should get the Jackery Explorer 240 Portable Power Station, one AC adapter, one car charger, and the user guide. Let's see what's inside. Here we have the cable bag with car charger and the AC power adapter. The user manual, and then the 240 power station. Press the display button and you'll get screen output on the LCD. It'll show the percentage of power, input-output, and temperature alarm if applicable. We've got the DC input to charge the Jackery to a solar panel array, which of course is not included. For power output, here's two USB ports so you can plug up your phones, and we've got an AC port to power up small devices or lights. The AC output port can only charge or power devices that operate at less than a total of 200 watts. So depending on the wattage intake of your device, you can calculate how much runtime the Jackery will have. It's made to run items at less than 200 watts, so for example, if you've got a 100 watt light bulb, the runtime would be about 2 hours. Keep in mind, the output ports don't turn off automatically, so if you want to shut down output power, press the button next to the ports to shut off. Also, if the Jackery Explorer's total output exceeds 200 watts, it will automatically shut off. In summary, it's a handy unit for brief power outages or camping situations when you need a quick charge to juice up your devices or just to keep things bright for your low wattage lights. Thanks for watching.